Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the F flat major chord on your piano or keyboard. Let's have a look. This note is called F, right? So this one is called A flat. It's exactly the same note as the note E, and in fact, the F flat major chord is precisely the same as the E major chord. Alright? But the notes have different names, but it's the same keys. So let's have a look at it. The F flat major chord, first locate the root note F flat, place your first finger here. The next note we'll need is called A flat, place your third finger there. The last note we'll need is called C flat, the same as the key B, but it's called C flat. Place your fifth finger there. So there you have it, the F flat major chord, exactly the same as the E major chord. Now, because the F flat major chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you in fact have the root note at the bottom of the chord. Okay? To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the F flat, all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called F flat major first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note, this time the A flat, all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called F flat major second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion of the chord, moving the bottom note all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at root position or root inversion again, just like the one we started with, only 1 octave higher. Okay? Now of course you can go the other way, downwards on the piano, starting with the F flat major root inversion. Now move the top note all the way to the bottom, move your hand, like this. And again, this is called the second inversion, right? And again move the top note to the bottom, move your hand. This is the F flat major first inversion. And one more time, top note to the bottom, move your hand. And we're back at F flat major root inversion. Okay? Let's do it one more time. Root inversion, bottom note to the top. First inversion, bottom note to the top. Second inversion, bottom note to the top, and back to root inversion. And the other way, let's start with root inversion, top note to the bottom, second inversion, top note to the bottom, first inversion, top note to the bottom, and we're back at root inversion. Okay? To practice these inversions, simply play like this. Okay, and lastly I'm going to show you how you can practice these inversions using arpeggios. Play like this. So there you have it, the F flat major chord. Before you leave, please remember to like this video if you liked this lesson, I'm sure you did, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos from me. Alright? Do it like right now. Thank you guys. See you. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course, or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.